Welcome you all in our Sanjeevani Sainik School and Junior College, Sahajanand Nagar, Kopargaon. Standard 6, Subject Information Technology, Lesson number 1, History of Computer. The first point of the lesson is earliest calculating aid. The calculating aid means what? The devices which you use to perform various mathematical calculation are called calculating aid. The first calculating aid was abacus. The picture of abacus is shown on the page. Second calculating aid, that is Napier's bone. The square in a cross section and set consisted of 9 rods numbered from 1 to 9. They were more commonly known as Napier's bones. Third calculating aid, that is a slide rule. It has 4 scales, 2 fixed and the others 2 sliding alongside them. Next point of the lesson is calculating machines. The machines which is used to perform various mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are called calculating machine. First machine is called Pascaline machine, which was developed by the scientist Blaise Pascal. Second one, step reckoner, and third one is a mechanical calculator. What is computer generation? The evolution of digital computers are divided into generations. Each generation is characterized by remarkable improvements over the previous generation in the technology used to build the electronic components. The computers are made using a particular technology are said to belong to that generation. Students, we have to learn the all 6 generations of computer. First generation of computer. It was built in the period of 1940 to 1956. In this generation, the technology used is called vacuum tube. Second generation of computer was built in the period of 1956 to 1963. The technology used is called transistor. The third generation of computer was built in the period of 1964 to 1971. The technology used is called integrated circuits or IC. Fourth generation of computer was built in the period of 1971 to 1990. The technology used is called microprocessor. The fifth generation of computer was built in the period of 1990 to present. The technology used is called parallel processing and networking. The sixth generation of computer, the current computer with the technology of artificial intelligence are called sixth generation of computer. What is supercomputer? A computer that is about 10 times more powerful than other computer of its generation is called supercomputer. Now we have to learn the features of each generation of computer in details. So very first, we have to learn the features of first generation of computer. First generation of computer was built using vacuum tube. The picture of vacuum tube is shown below. Vacuum tube consume a lot of electrical power. Due to vacuum tube, the size of computer is very big and cooled by huge air conditioners. In this generation, hardware failure were more frequent and needed constant maintenance. In this generation, input and output were based on punch card, means no mouse or keyboard is used to give input to the computer. Magnetic drum memory was introduced. The speed of this type of generation is very slow. Now we have to learn the features of second generation of computer. Second generation of computer were built using transistor. The image of transistor is given below. Transistors were more reliable and led to less breakdown. Transistors are smaller and more energy efficient. Computers still relied on punch card for input and output. In second generation of computer, magnetic core memory is used. These computers were faster than first generation of computer. The size of computer is small than that of the first generation of computer. The features of third generation of computer. The third generation of computer were built using integrated circuit, that is IC. The figures of various IC is displayed here. Use of integrated circuit reduced the size of computer. The maintenance cost was very low. User could interact through keyboard and monitor. Semiconductor memory was used. The speed of this type of computer is more than that of first and second generation of computer. A central program called an operating system was introduced in third generation of computer. Thank you.